Hello friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start our page number 22, Listening Activity. Unit 2 is about Leo Lily's adventure, as you know. Open up your books, page 22, Communicate. Listening, Part C. Listen, where are the children? I'm going to play an audio for you. Listen to that audio very carefully because you have to answer this question.
Page 22. Communicate. Listening. C. Listen. Where are the children?
Hello, kids. Welcome to our farm. Let's walk around and I can introduce you to some of the animals here.
1.
Okay, everyone. Here we are at the cow barn. My sons, Alan and Frank, are milking the cows now. This is Bessie. It's easy for Alan to milk her. She's always very calm. She's very gentle, too. She likes people.
2.
Oh, look, everyone. Do you see Toby, one of our farm cats? We need cats here to help us.
To chase birds?
No. Look at Toby. Can you see him? He's very patient.
Yes, he's hunting that mouse.
Good. The mice eat our corn. Uh-oh. The mouse is running away.
3.
Now, everybody, come with me over here. We have 2 farm dogs to help us, too. This is Maggie. She's usually very gentle, but now she's very fierce. Do you know why?
Because she has puppies?
That's right. She wants to keep her puppies safe.
4.
Now let's go and look at the horses. We have a lot of horses on this farm, but Sadie is my favorite. She's very smart. She always comes when I call her name. And she's also...
I know. She's strong.
Yes, that's right. She works hard, and she's very calm and gentle. Who wants to ride her?
Me!
I hope you have listened to this audio very carefully. Now you are going to answer me, where are the children? You are very right. They are on a farm. Now you see there is a part D of listening activity. Listen again and check the correct answer. Now play this video again, listen to that audio again and solve this question. I am waiting for you. I hope you have solved this question. I have marked the correct answers for you as well. Let us see which one picture is the audio talking about. Yes, the second one. This one is the correct answer. For the third one, yes, you are right. And for the fourth one, you are very right. Now what you have to do is, you have to write down the summary of Unit 2, Leo Lily's Adventure, on a loose sheet. Summary should not exceed 10 lines. That's all for today.